Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many times when we use Microsoft Excel, we don't remember some difficult formulas. Then we spend a lot of time trying to remember them or searching for them on the internet. Nowadays, many people simply upload their Excel files to AI tools and ask questions directly, which is completely fine. However, there's one problem. Most AI tools have limits on file uploads unless you purchase a subscription. Even Microsoft Excel's built-in AI features require a paid subscription in many cases. So, what if you could get help from AI without uploading your Excel files and without worrying about upload limits? In this video, I will show you how to create a simple program that converts your Excel file into a text-based code format. You can then copy that code and paste it directly into any AI chatbot. This allows you to ask questions about your Excel data without uploading the actual file. By doing this, you can use AI to analyze your Excel data, explain formulas, and much more, all while avoiding file upload restrictions and making full use of your AI chat limits. So let's get started and build this useful tool step by step. So go to Google and search Python download. Don't worry, you don't need to have coding knowledge. Select your system OS. Download the Python version which is compatible with your system and save it wherever you want. After downloading is complete, go to that file location. Double-click on Downloaded File. Don't forget to add Python to path. And click Install Now. Go to Command Prompt. And type Python ---- version and click Enter. Then you must see your Python version. Go to your notepad and type this. Go to File, Save As. Create a folder named Excel to JSON Converter. Open that folder. Name your file as requirements. Keep the file type as text document and save the file. Now replace the code with new code. If you don't want to type code, then just take a screenshot of the video. Copy the screenshot. Go to any AI and paste it. And type this. Write what is written. And send the prompt. Like this, you won't require to code manually. So after pasting the code in Notepad, go to Files and Save As. Name the file as main.py. Change the file type to all files. And save the file. Now replace the code with new code. And save the file as GUI.py. And change the file type to all files. And save the file. Now replace the code with new code. And save it as converter.py. Change the file type as all files and save the file. Stay inside your Excel to JSON Converter folder. Tap on your location address bar and type CMD and click Enter. And type pip space install space hyphen r space requirements.txt. Click Enter. Now all the required things are satisfied. Now type Python space main.py and press Enter. And the command prompt is showing error. After reading the prompt from command prompt, we can understand that there is something spelling mistake in our folder name. And yes, I did spelling mistake in converter spelling. So I'll correct that spelling mistake. And again type Python space main.py and press Enter. And our Excel to JSON program is now opened. Now our setup is ready. Let's solve some Excel queries. Using provided data in Excel, we need to determine which students passed or failed based on the following condition. Students with a score of 40 or higher pass, while those with less than 40 fail. Now open the Excel to JSON program which we have created and import our Excel file in which we want to do analysis. As we can see, our Excel file is now converted to JSON. Now copy the code and go to any AI like Google, Gemini, or ChatGPT. Tell AI that this is my Excel to JSON converted code. Then press 2 times Shift plus Enter and paste the copied JSON code. Again, press 2 to 4 times Shift plus Enter. Then you can specify your query to AI. Like I said, in Sheet 1 EX1, there's a data of students' marks. My task is to find if marks are 40 or more, show pass, otherwise show fail. Then send the prompt. As we can see, AI has told to select C2 next to first student's marks, and has given if formula, and then told to click on bottom right corner of cell C2 and told drag it down to C5, or double click on bottom right corner of C2. So I'll copy the given formula and go to Excel. Select cell C2 and paste the given formula. Then by clicking on the bottom right corner of cell C2, drag the selected area to cell C5. Like this, we can do this with nested if type questions. Just specify your query to AI in proper manner, and AI will tell each and every step to solve your query in Excel. Then step by step follow what AI says, and your query will be solved. This also works with VLOOKUP. Just specify your query to AI, and AI will guide you step by step. Just follow the guidance specified by AI, and your work will become easy. You can try this with many different queries in Excel. If you want to remove straight liners from your responses, just specify your query to AI, and AI will also guide you with it. Just follow step-by-step instructions of AI, and you will not require to remember each and every formula of Excel if you don't want to learn. Whenever you want to open the Excel to JSON converter, just go to your Excel to JSON converter folder. Click on the file location address bar and type CMD and press Enter. Then type Python space main.py and press Enter. And our Excel to JSON converter program will open. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.